Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius headlight. First, gather your tools, a 10mm socket wrench and a new H11 headlight bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and completely cool before you begin. You'll be accessing the headlight assembly from the engine bay, so open the hood and prepare for easy access. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll find the headlight assembly located behind the bumper, often requiring a bit of maneuvering. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Then, with a firm but gentle grip, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from its housing. When handling the new H11 bulb, it's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring a good connection. With the new bulb installed, it's time to test it out. Turn on your vehicle's headlights and check both the low and high beams to ensure they are working correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. Close the hood securely and remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly. You've successfully changed your Prius headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.